Root cause analysis is a service we provide for our customers when they have a product that's not performing to their expectations. In one particular case, a customer came to us with water ingress issues that they were having on one of their overmolded cable assemblies. They looked to us to try and identify what the issue was and how to resolve it. For this particular customer and their root cause analysis, they provided us with a drawing. They provided us with an assembly that they had, which was a failing product. We were able to take that, open it, dissect what the issues were that we were seeing, and document that information, and provide it back to them to have a constructive discussion on how to fix what we were seeing. The problem that we identified with this product was upon varying temperatures in the harsh environment it was exposed to, we realized that the epoxy used contracted and expanded, allowing water ingress to occur. We switched the material to a different epoxy, which when hardened did not create any of those gaps. This customer selected Promark because we were able to quickly identify what the issue was in their failing product, and we were able to turn around the root cause analysis as well as rebuilding their product within a 4-week time frame.